Hello, it's Hannah. Welcome to my first video here on YouTube. I'd like to thank you for stopping by. Today I want to show you how I made this invitation card. I took this paper from Simple Stories and cut it in half because it was too large to fit into my big shot. Well, I love this paper because it just looks like stars. Well, it is stars, isn't it? What am I saying? But yeah, my idea was to have a ready-made starry background for my sky. I die cut it from stitched rectangle die. It's from my favorite things. I used the Neat and Tangled Little Bear stamp set. It's quite old actually, but it's the only one that I had that was like full of critters, and I really could think of an idea, like a complete idea. I got it from the Neat and Tangled website. That's how old I believe it is. Yeah, because they didn't have it here in the UK. I stamped out the trees and the campfire because this is a camping themed card, and I started to colour in the trees. I didn't have all the in-between shades, so one thing that I like to do is to tip to tip, where you take the lightest shade and the darkest shade, like say here DG2 and DG3, even though the next number it still has like a drastic color difference. So to make sure it blends properly, I like to tip to tip. So this is where I take the tip of DG2 and the tip of DG4 or DG3 and then kiss them, I guess, and then color it in. That way I could blend the darkest shade more better. Yeah, this card was a challenge for Neat and Tangled. They had a party challenge where you had to create 3 party items using mainly their products, and I decided to do a camping party, even though I've never camped, and yeah, I don't know how to. But yeah, we did a small party, and just my sisters, me, my daughter, my brother. I don't even have a son. Wow. But anyway, let's just get back to the colouring. I didn't have a shot for the campfire, so I just showed you the colours that I used. There was no shading at all except for the logs. Here I am fussy cutting. I didn't get the dies for this set, but yeah, I don't really like fussy cutting. I'm trying to fussy cut a bit more. So here I am fussy cutting. I'm glad I don't have a lot to cut, only 2. After a fussy cut, I run the sides of the paper with a black marker so that the white pieces of the white side of the paper doesn't show. Yeah, a lot of the things that I didn't have for this, and a lot of things I didn't have for this project. Like for example, I didn't have a hillside die, and so I used a speech bubble die from Lawn Fawn. It's a border die, and just used the edge of it to cut off a hill, I guess. Yeah, I mean it's improvising, right? Now I think I'm ready to assemble everything. I had this packet of woodgrain note cards from Lawn Fawn, so I decided to use those. And I didn't like this green shade on this paper, so I blended some forest moss on the edges to make it look more 3D. This is my first video, I'm sure you already know. Forgive my unprofessionalism. Is that the word? But anyways, yeah. I hope to do more, and I hope to get better. Yes, this is my favourite part, my daughter's favourite part, to peel off the backing of the stickers. So here I've got the scene ready. Just put the starry background on. Saves you time actually to have a paper that's already has the stars. I'm trying to get, because when you go camping, when you go to the woods, when you go to the forest, there's no light pollution, so you get to see the stars really properly. So that's what I was trying to imitate. A tree, a nice thick tree, and a lit campfire. That's what I'm trying to do. And yes, I just got some foam stickers and use them to pop up the images. Okay, I'm using some sequins, and I use glue dots to stick them on. I have mini glue dots, so that's what I used to stick them on. I don't like fiddling with the liquid glue. The dies from Neat and Tangled, which I bought actually for this challenge. I love them so much. They're so cute and bold, just so versatile. I really love them. I cut out the words "Let's camp," because that's what I'm inviting you to, a camping party. Oh yeah, this part, yeah, you're just gonna see me try and fiddle with these little thin letters with my fat sausage fingers. Okay, yeah. And then I put glue off screen. I used the Pritt Stick glue. Reminds me of school. Yeah, and this is just me gluing it on. I think it will cut off towards the end. So I just like to thank you so much for bearing this video. And I really hope to see you next time in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.